Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the auto brightness issue on your OnePlus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, restart your mobile. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up from the center of the screen and release your finger to restart your mobile. And after restarting, your auto brightness issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on display and brightness. Now here you will see a auto brightness button. So turn this button on, and after turning on this button, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem in brightness, then open settings again, scroll down, and here click on additional settings. Now here scroll down and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here click on reset all settings and then enter lock screen password. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.